This is not the Knight Industries 2000 or kit. This is not the Knight Automated Roving Robot or car. This is the Subcompact Hillbilly Industries 2000. You can figure out the acronym. Hey, all, Johnny Mullet with another video. Today I got this weird light bar from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description, or you can simply go to Amazon and search Knight Rider light bar. So I got this nifty little remote control here with a cover, and it's got 4 buttons. The on and off would be this button here. And it does remember the last setting that you had it on. So you can turn it on and turn it off. But there's much, much more. We can also change the colors. We have a blue. We have a white. We have red. We have a dark green, blue, purple, and back to light green, which is supposed to be amber, but not quite. Real quick, though, I do want to go through the modes. The color change would be the B button here, which I just went through. And this one here, the A button, will control the speed of the light action. And the speed will change all modes that you have it on. This thing has a very, let's say a bunch of modes. So real quick, let's go through these modes. That would be the C button up here. So this mode is my Knight Rider mode. There is a few more, but we'll go through. Looks like we have a glow effect where it dims out and brightens up. We have an in and out. We have another Knight Rider type light, scanning back and forth. We have this flashing mode, and of course at any time you can change the colors with the remote to whatever color you want. There looks like an emergency mode there. There's another back and forth mode. Another scanning mode with more LEDs lit than the last mode. Another back and forth mode. This looks like a right turn signal mode. This would be a left turn signal mode. There are actually wires on the controller where you can add a left and right turn or a brake light function. Here's another scanning mode, which seems to stop on the right side just for a second. Another back and forth mode. We have an glow mode. This one here might get you in trouble with the red and blue flashing lights. Another emergency light mode. And a red and blue flashing light. If I try to change the colors, it does not do anything on that mode. And that looks like a red, green, blue, red, red, green, blue, red. And there is another emergency mode. A back and forth mode. This looks like a weird scanner that sort of adds like Tetris and then removes. Solid on mode. And if I was to change the color to a white, I could use that as a driving light without drawing any attention to the police. And there we are, back to the original mode. I would change it back to the color that I normally run. And there we go. Just wanted to share this light with you. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. So, remember, one man can make a difference. Have a great day.